Niti Aayog has released the second edition of multi-dimensional poverty index, that is national multi-dimensional poverty index. तो उसके बारे में कुछ information है. That is 135 million Indians have moved out of multi-dimensional poverty in the last 5 years. That means our MPI values have halved from 0.117 to 0.066, which is a very big achievement. Secondly, intensity of poverty in India has reduced from 47% to 44%. इसका मतलब ये है that जो स्टैंडर्ड डेवलपमेंट गोल SDGs टारगेट 12 है, India will achieve this target much ahead of the deadline of 2030. Then MPI estimates दिए गए हैं 36 states and UTs के लिए and 707 administrative districts के लिए. All 12 parameters of MPI have shown improvement in India. आपको याद होगा जो ग्लोबल MPI था उसमें जो ये पैरामीटर्स या इंडिकेटर्स थे they were 10. In case of national multi-dimensional poverty index there are 12 parameters. ठीक है, again तीन ही dimensions हैं, health, education और living standard. Then we have fastest reduction in MPI has been seen in states like UP, Bihar, MP, Odisha and Rajasthan. Finally, rural areas have shown fastest decline from 32.59% to 19.28%. आप देख सकते हो बहुत बड़ा रिडक्शन है. Then urban areas ने रूरल एरियाज के मुकाबले में थोड़ा कम रिडक्शन शो किया है. They have reduced from 8.65% to 5.27%. Proportion of poor in the country have reduced or have come down from 24.8% to 14.9%. Almost 10% का reduction है between the years 2015-2016 से लेके 2019 to 21. So that means India has shown remarkable improvement in terms of national MPI, and that means we are on the road to progress. So a lot of people have come out or exited the poverty in our country. With this, I'll bring this topic to a close. Thank you so much for watching, and do subscribe the channel. Hit on that bell icon so that whenever I upload a new video, you are notified. And please do like the video. Thank you so much for watching.